You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Friday, April 21st, and we have a great show for you guys today. Mattel is absolutely getting killed today. They're down 11%. Mattel dropped off big time after they missed on a lot of their quarterly earnings report. Let's see here. Mattel. Got a couple articles on them. Wider than expected quarter one losses and sales were lagging. Adjusted loss per share of 32 cents. People were expecting them in the off season here to lose about 17 cents a share. So much bigger than they expected. Part of the problem is soft sales. People are going more into technology driven toys is what they want, and Mattel doesn't have a strong offering there. So Mattel is actually down 11% right now, almost 12% as we're discussing them. So big drop off in Mattel. You can see there, that's a nice little cliff to drop off in. So are they worth investing in is the question. They have a very good dividend. Whether it's sustainable or not, take a little bit more of a look, but oops, I got the wrong tool up there. It's a 6% dividend is what they've got right now after the drop off here. So they pay a decent amount of money though. They own their stock. 11% drop. That's when it's a good solid business and it has a drop like that for really no reason. 4%, 5%. That's usually a very good buying opportunity. 11% is very steep. Down 19% for the year. Forward earnings are trading at 13 times forward earnings. They have 800, almost 900 million in cash. A lot of debt. Not a ton of cash flow for the company. Don't like to see that when they're kicking around that much debt and they don't have a lot of cash on hand. They got a decent amount of cash. It's not compared to their debt, though. Let's put it to you that way. So Mattel is a tricky one. Let's look at what they offer. Some of the franchises that they have over on their website. They have Barbie. Okay, that is a big one to have in your wheelhouse. Barbie. They have a relationship with WWE. We invest in WWE. DC Universe. Monster High. Okay. Kids buzz about that a little bit. Really, they're hanging their hat on Barbie. Boy, don't like that. That's kind of their biggest and best thing that they going on. Obviously, I mean Barbie's a staple. Hot Wheels, okay. He-Man, okay. Pretty thin on what they've got. Boy, not liking it. Not liking the franchises that they have. Let's see what games fall under the Mattel. Magic 8 Ball. Yeah, let's keep going. Let's shop Mattel. Shop Mattel and see if they're worth investing in. Apples to apples, okay. Uno's a staple. Barbie, DC Universe, DC Superhero Girls, Disney's Cars. They got some Disney stuff. Fast and Furious, Hot Wheels, Matchbox. WWE. Decent WWE figures. Boy. not seeing a lot of blowaway hits. They've got some aged franchises here with Barbie. Again, it's a staple for people. Um, their comic book offering. Ooh. Hot Wheels. Okay, Hot Wheels and Matchbox. Um, so a meh when it comes to uh, their toy lineup that they have. 11% drop. We're going to put Mattel in the speculate range because they have such a high dividend going on. 6% yield. I mean, Mattel is a pretty strong name in the toy industry. Um, Boy, that's. We've talked about tabletop gaming making a comeback. I don't see a strong offering there of them really publishing stuff along that line. Mattel will put in our speculate area. That's 11% drop could be a very good buying opportunity, especially if they stay down here and they work on restructuring the company to see what they come out with. We'll keep an eye on what licenses they come up with, and keep a closer look at Mattel. We'll add them to the speculate list. The dividend they pay is high enough, and they're a strong enough name. We'll keep taking some more looks at Mattel. Not saying buy. I'm not saying I'm going to buy them, but keep taking a look at them. We'll see. It's some interesting stuff. Aging franchise. Let me know what you think. Leave us some comments in the video. We'll see. We'll see what happens with Mattel. Could be a good buying opportunity. Like I said, I'd like to know your thoughts. So that's it for today's show. Thank you for watching. We're live every day, 1:30 Eastern, 12:30 Central. Tweet us at InvestorXP. Shoot us an email. It's mail@investorxp.com. Leave a comments in the videos on any of the stories that we did today. Really interested in what you have to say or feedback about the show. We have an open discussion on our YouTube channel. So if you have any stock tips or comments on articles, go ahead and post away. Very interested in what you have. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're getting close to halfway to the 100 mark. So we want to keep building this channel. Subscribe, help grow this channel, help it reach more people. We want to get more gamers involved in investing. We believe that they have a distinct edge. So thanks for watching. We'll see you Monday.